Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign into your War Thunders account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your War Thunders account, firstly go ahead and launch open your War Thunder application. The official page of War Thunder application will appear on the screen. Choose an authorization method, that is, you can either log into your War Thunders account using Google account, Facebook account, or either log in by tapping on guest login as well. Choose any one of the method and tap on it. It will log you into your War Thunders account in no time. This is how you can log into your War Thunders account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.